to learn cloud computing and server management. When I joined Forsati program that is supported by Tamkeen, they provided a professional trainer that can help you in anything that you want to ask. And I just got the experience that I want from cloud computing and server management.
Forsati program provides us with a soft skill program. It's provide us to be a confident employee for the future.
The special things of this program was the weekly visits from different companies. They came to visit us and to get to know more about the market and what it needs.
Forsati will help me in my career because they provide a lot of insights and tips and tricks on how to deal with interviews, how to make your resume.
It was very exciting and enjoyable experience. Our training Sumaya was very helpful and she tried her best to deliver the knowledge and to answer all the questions that we have.
I think that the certificate of the university is not that enough to get a job. So I recommend students to get more certificates, and especially in Forsati program, which gives you skills as well to get more potential in the future.
I applied for internship, university internship, and the first thing that they looked about is my Azure Administrator certificate, because nowadays cloud computing is all around. That's why all the job and employers are looking for this certificates and skills.
The program helped me to take an internship with a company called Arihant Intelligence. During my training period, I had the chance to develop my soft skills more, which qualified me to get a full-time job in the same company.